Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eye zooming into space video transition on CapCut PC. Just going to have it at around 2 seconds. I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end I'm going to scale it up to about 2000. Maybe move it. Okay, maybe 2000 isn't enough. Oh, I think I did 6,000 actually. Yeah, I do 6,000 instead. If it's too fast, just adjust the timing and make the keyframes further apart, like so. Or you can drag the first keyframe actually and move it a little bit further. Okay, maybe not that far. Maybe this far. Okay. I'm actually just going to leave it at around 2 seconds. Actually, here I'm going to scale it up to around 3,000 first, and then here to 6,000 maybe. Okay. Then add in your space, but add it on top here. And I'm just going to go to the part where it kind of zooms in. And then here I'm going to make the opacity from 0. And then here I'm going to make it 50-ish. 45, that's fine. And then I'm going to make it 100 here. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!